Hello friends, myself Harkinder Singh from the Trackers. Today I'm going to tell you about how to attempt reading in the exam. In reading, you have 40 questions and you got only 60 minutes to solve that 40 questions. I would like to tell you, first of all, just choose the simple passage from the three passages in which you find blanks. Like students always find blanks easier than any other question, like from headings. So always choose that passage in which you are comfortable and give that passage only 15 minutes, and try to give the other passage 20 minutes, which is considered as intermediate. And there is also one more passage which is considered as the toughest one, and you will get 25 minutes for that passage. The other thing is, never get stuck on any question. If you feel uncomfortable in any question and it is very hard to find any answer, then you can skip that question and make sure you will skip that answer in your answer sheet also. So the next thing is, just in which passage you see you get any headings, finding information, just read the next questions, following questions, like if there are readings or any true false, just read those statements, because it becomes easier whenever you read the passage. You will find it easier to find those things, because to find that headings you need to read the whole passage first. And the other thing you can do is read the statements carefully, because students always get confused in true false and yes no, because true false are most common thing in the readings, and usually there are very minimum chances of receiving any yes or no. If you read the statement properly, then you never get any confusion in writing your answers. Hopefully these tricks and tips could help you in a better way and you score good. And for further information, please subscribe our channel, and the link is below.